Hey guys, it's Angela. I'm gonna do an experiment today, and I actually had the foresight to think to actually experiment on something that wasn't the final product. So the final product is not this letter Z that's in here. This letter Z is actually just a 50-cent piece of wood that I got on clearance at my local craft store. The final product, I got 4 of these from, and you can't see the whole thing because my camera is too close. The whole thing is this word love with a puzzle piece in the middle. For those who don't know, my son is autistic, and puzzle piece has some mixed messages, and I don't know, but I saw these from Mr. Peacock's wood cutouts, and I thought it was really cool. So what I've done is I've taped it off because I want to do a pour on just the letter O, and I want to do kind of a rainbow pour on just this. I actually ordered 4 of these, but I don't want to mess up the blanks, because if they work out, I, want to be able to use them. So, what I am going to do instead is I'm going to experiment on this little letter Z. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together just a cup of primary colors. And if I can get this right, because last night I said it incorrectly. Red, yellow, blue. And I'm gonna just put really small layers of each, because ideally what I want is I want them to mix together, and I want them to form a rainbow. And I don't necessarily want to use a whole rainbow full of colors. And maybe that's how I'm gonna have to do it. But I want to see if this way works. Now, it didn't work that way when I did my turkey pour, and I'm thinking maybe it's because I wasn't doing like a ring. The colors really stayed separate. So, I don't know. But I figured if I experiment on this little wood block that cost me 50 cents, I'm not really out much. And if it works, then great. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't. And then I have a primary color letter Z that I can hang up in my art room. So there you go. So this little silicone cup is about 3 ounces of paint, and just gonna put a little bit more white in here. I'm almost tempted to like mix it a little bit, but I don't really think that's gonna help. So yeah, let me just pop on some gloves, and then I'll give this a pour. Okay, gloves are on. Let's go. Let's see, we'll start up here. Travel it. I think maybe on the actual cutout, I might need to put a little bit more white in my mix, because the colors do seem to get a little muddy. Now part of that could be because I did kind of go over and back and over and back. So maybe I'll experiment one more time on a canvas. Yeah, I think I will do that. I'll probably experiment one more time on a canvas. And maybe I'll try. Yeah. So we'll see. Yeah, maybe we'll just experiment with some rainbows. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this. And, yeah. I'll see you guys next time.